Hip mobility exercises, best workout for flexibility. Let's do it. Exercise number 1, Dumbbell Bar Grip Sumo Squat. Instructions: stand with feet wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Hold a dumbbell with a bar grip at arm's length. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips, keeping your back straight. Return to the starting position. Benefits: this targets the hip adductors, strengthening and improving flexibility in the inner thighs. It also engages the glutes and quads, contributing to overall lower body mobility and stability. Exercise number 2, Dumbbell Front Squat. Instructions: hold a pair of dumbbells at shoulder height, palms facing you. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips, keeping your torso upright. Return to the starting position. Benefits: targets hip flexors and quadriceps, enhancing flexibility essential for activities like deep squats and improved leg mobility. It also engages the core, promoting overall stability. Exercise number 3, Dumbbell Goblet Squat. Instructions: hold a dumbbell close to your chest with both hands. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body into a squat position, keeping your elbows inside your knees. Return to the starting position. Benefits: targets hip muscles, enhancing flexibility and stability crucial for a comprehensive hip mobility routine. This exercise also engages the core and upper body, promoting overall strength. Exercise number 4, Dumbbell Lunge. Instructions: stand with dumbbells in hand, step forward with one foot, lowering your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push off the front foot to return to the starting position. Benefits: targets hip flexors and quadriceps, improving flexibility for lunging motions and enhancing overall lower body mobility. It also engages the glutes, promoting strength and stability. Exercise number 5, Dumbbell Squat. Instructions: hold dumbbells at your sides, stand with feet shoulder width apart, and perform a standard squat by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Return to the starting position. Benefits: targets hip muscles, promoting flexibility and strength crucial for various lower body movements. Engages quads, hamstrings, and glutes for overall lower body development. Exercise number 6, Stretching, Adductor Stretch. Instructions: sit with legs spread wide, lean forward, reaching toward one foot. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Benefits: enhances flexibility in the hip adductors, improving range of motion for wide-legged stances and contributing to improved hip mobility. Exercise number 7, stretching, ceiling look stretch. Instructions: lie on your back, raise legs towards the ceiling, and look towards the ceiling, stretching your hip flexors. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Benefits: this stretch targets and elongates the hip flexors, contributing to improved flexibility and mobility, especially in movements involving hip extension. Exercise number 8, stretching, hip extension stretch. Instructions: kneel on one knee, extend the other leg back with the foot flexed, lean forward, stretching the front of the hip. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Benefits: enhances flexibility in the hip extensors, crucial for improved hip extension and overall lower body mobility. Exercise number 9, stretching, quadricep stretch. Instructions: stand, grab one foot behind you, and pull it towards your glutes. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Benefits: targets hip flexors and quadriceps, improving flexibility for activities requiring knee flexion and contributing to overall lower body mobility. Unlock the full potential of your body with these empowering hip mobility exercises. Embrace the stretch, enhance strength, and make every move a masterpiece. Remember, a limber body is a limitless body. Keep moving, keep thriving.